discussion about light rays deviation due to refraction. So first of all, a light ray coming from rarer to denser medium. So this is the first medium, this is the second medium, this is the rarer, this is the denser medium. So when light ray coming from rarer to denser, so this is the straight direction of the incident ray. So when light ray coming from rarer to denser, it bends towards normal. This is the angle of incidence I1. This is the angle of refraction I2. So the deviation of the refracted ray is defined as the angle between direct direction of the incident ray to the ray of refraction. So this is the angle of deviation. So this is written as D equals to. So for in this case, so when light ray coming from rarer to denser, so I1 is more greater than I2. So angle of deviation D equals to I1 minus I2. So written as I1 minus I2. But suppose when light ray coming from denser to rarer, so light ray coming from denser to rarer, this refracted ray bends away from the normal. So like this. So away from the normal. In this case, angle of deviation represents this one. So light ray coming from denser to rarer, the angle of deviation D written as D equals to I2 minus I1. So from rarer to denser, the angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. In this case, deviation angle D equals to I1 minus I2. But light ray coming from denser to rarer, the angle of incidence is smaller than angle of refraction. In that case, angle of deviation D equals to I2 minus I1. For normal incidence, so when light ray incident normal to the refracting surface, so this is the normal along with the incident ray. So in this case, the angle of incidence I1 equals to 0. So refractive index of the medium mu can be written as sin I1 by sin I2. But in case of normal incidence, I1 equals to 0. This I1 equals to 0 value substitute in equation mu equals to sin I1 by sin I2. So here mu equals to sin 0 by sin I2. So sin 0 equals to 0 by sin I2. Therefore, sin I2 equals to 0 by mu equals to 0. That means I2 equals to 0. So in case of normal incidence, when I1 equals to 0, I2 equals to 0. So the refracted ray cannot deviate. So it goes straight to in second medium. For more than two mediums, in this case, for suppose we take large number of mediums. This is the first medium. This is the second medium. This is the third medium. This is the fourth medium. This is the fifth medium. So refractive index is the first medium mu1, second medium mu2, third medium mu3, fourth medium mu4, fifth medium mu5, and last one is mu6. So when light ray coming from first medium to second medium, so like this ray enter into the second medium and bends, and also bends, and bends, and also bends. So the emergent ray. So in this case, this is the at first boundary. This angle is I1, this angle is I2. At the boundary of second refracting surface, this is I2, this is I3. In this region, this is I3, this is I4. In this region, this is I4, this is I5. So this is I5, this is I6. So first compare first and second mediums. So refractive index mu12 equals to mu2 by mu1. So that equals to, according to Snell's law, sin I1 by sin I2. So when a light ray coming from first medium to second medium, so I1 is the angle of incidence in first medium. So IT is the angle of refraction in second medium. So refractive index of the medium, second medium with respect to first medium, mu2 by mu1 can be written as a mu12. This is the sin I1 equals to sin I2. From 2 to 3, so written as mu23. So mu23 equals to mu3 by mu2. According to Snell's law, so in second boundary, second rectangular surface, angle of incidence is I2, angle of refraction is I3. So this can be written as sin I2 by sin I3. So at third boundary, mu3 4 equals to mu4 by mu3. So this is sin I3 by sin I4. Similarly, at last boundary, so at last boundary coming from light ray fifth medium to sixth medium. So mu, so 5 to 6 equals to mu6 by mu5 equals to sin I5 by sin I6. So when light ray first enter in the first medium and last emergent into the sixth medium. So in this region, mu1 6. This is the refractive index of the sixth medium with respect to first medium. This is can be written as mu 1 2 into mu 2 3 into mu 3 4 into mu 4 5 into mu 5 6. That equals to, so mu 1 2 written as sin I1 by sin I2. So sin I1 by sin I2 into, so mu 2 3 sin I2 by sin I3 into, so sin I3 by sin I4 into sin I4 by sin I5. So last one, so sin I5 by sin I6. This is total equals to mu 1 6. So in this equation, this is sin I2, this is sin I2 cancel. So sin I3 cancel. I4 cancel. I5 cancel. So last one, sin I1 by sin I6. But the first medium to be taken as air. Similarly, so last medium also air medium. So this is can be written as mu 6 by mu 1. So mu 1 6 can be written as mu 6 by mu 1. So mu 1 is the refractive index of the first medium. Mu 6 is the refractive index of the last medium. But this is